Hi, welcome to Backyard Geology. I'm Ariel, an educator at the Harvard Museum of Natural History. Today we're going to be exploring sand. Sand, we see it all around us, at the beach, in rivers and lakes, in deserts, in our sandboxes. But where does all this sand come from? Let's do an experiment to find out. For this experiment, we'll need some small rocks. I found these in my backyard. A clear plastic jar with a screw-on lid, and some water. First, rinse off your rocks so there's no mud or dirt on them. Then put your rocks into your container. Add some water. Enough to cover the rocks. And screw on the lid. Now take a close look at the bottom of your jar. What can we see in here? I just see rocks in mine. Now give your jar a shake. Shake it hard. Keep shaking. Let's take a look at the bottom of the jar again. What can you see now? I see little bits of sand between the rocks. So what's happening here? When we shake our jar, the rocks are banging together. As the rocks bang together, little bits of rocks break off. That's the sand. In nature, rocks bang together in lots of different places. From the movement of rivers and streams, from waves in the ocean, from wind in the desert, in landslides. When rocks break apart like this, scientists call it weathering. Millions of years of weathering can create all the sand we see around us. Now that you've made one shake jar, you might want to make some more and try some other experiments. Try putting big rocks in one jar and small rocks in the other. Which one makes the most sand? Or try putting pointy rocks in one jar and smooth rocks in the other. Which makes more sand now? What other experiments can you try? Tell us about it in the comments. Thanks for watching and keep exploring.